Wow, boys, what have we got today?
Farm.
We're playing with the farm, aren't we? And what have we got in our farm?
We got a piggy.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Got all of these decorations here for us.
So, what noise do pigs make?
Yeah.
Do you do a piggy noise?
That's the hard one to do.
Is it?
Splat Kids TV!
And what other animals have we got here?
We got this, and then we got a donkey.
That's a cow, isn't it?
Yeah, a cow.
We've got a cow.
And then there's a donkey over there.
A donkey? Is this a donkey?
Yeah.
Do you know what noise donkeys make?
Can you do the noise of donkey?
Do they go ee-aw?
Yeah.
Ee-aw?
We're gonna put the pigs right in this farm.
You're going to put the pigs in there?
Yeah.
That farm says Sunflower Farm. Does that door on the front, does it open?
Yeah.
Wow, what's inside? There's some people in there.
Yeah. There's a police officer.
Can I see?
Ambulance. I was wondering, it's ambulance.
Oh yeah, it looks like a doctor, doesn't it?
Yeah, doctor.
He's got a stethoscope and a clipboard. Yeah, he's definitely a doctor, isn't he? So the doctor lives in the farm then. Do we have a farmer?
Yeah. Can you open this one for me?
Yeah, of course I can. I wonder what's inside here. Let's have a look. Oh, is it empty?
No.
Oh no, the farmer's wife is in there. What should we call the farmer's wife? Let's give her a name. What about Mary?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the farmer called? What name will he have?
The pigeon pin.
What about Roger?
Yeah.
So Roger the farmer.
Yeah.
So we've got Mary and Roger. And this is their farm.
Yeah.
They've got lots of animals, haven't they?
And who's this farm?
That farm's called Sunflower Farm. And this is the barn where the animals live, isn't it?
This lives in here.
What did you put in there?
Ambulance.
You put the ambulance man in there.
Yeah.
Jackson, look. A tractor.
Tractor.
You like tractors, don't you?
Uh-huh.
We've been in a tractor, haven't we? Do you remember when we went to the zoo
Yeah.
and we went on the tractor train? It was really awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What did the tractor train do?
Uh-huh.
Did it go choo-choo?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was really awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Check out our other video where we went to the zoo and then you'll see the tractor train, won't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I found another farmer and another wife. Here's another farmer. He's got a fork for digging. And I don't know, should we give them names?
Yeah.
This is the farmer's wife. Why don't we call her, what do you think? What's a good name for a farmer?
Kakala.
Kakala?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a hard name, but I can try and remember, okay? So Kakala. And what was the farmer called?
Peach Peach.
Peach Peach.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's easier to remember. So Kakala and Peach Peach.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's Kakala and Peach Peach.
Is that one Peach Peach?
Yeah.
And here's this one.
Kakala.
Yeah.
Did you think of those names?
Yeah.
That's really awesome. Oh! The sheep's doing a headstand on the hay bale.
No, he's not supposed to do that.
He's not supposed to do that. He's supposed to be on his feet. There we go. Did he climb up there all by himself?
Yeah.
Wow, what a clever sheep.
Yeah.
Whoa! It must be windy. The trees are falling down in the farm.
Yeah.
What's on that tree? Does it have apples on it?
Yeah. Yeah, and peaches too.
And peaches?
Yeah, and cockroaches.
Now I see a chicken.
Yeah. There's another chicken.
There's another chicken.
Yeah. Where's another chicken?
Quack.
What is this?
Oh, these are chickens too. Let's see. Oh, I dropped them.
Chickens.
Chickens.
They're all matched together. And this one matched.
So let's put these ones, yeah, let's match them up. So the chickens go here. It's hard to stand up on this grass, isn't it? Oh, what have you got, Henry?
Remember his name?
Is it a cow?
Yeah, cow.
What noise do cows make? You know that one, don't you? No!
Remember this noise from him?
Yeah, what do cows do? They go moo.
Yeah.
Can you do a cow noise?
Moo.
Can you make the cow do a moo? Can you do a cow noise?
Moo.
What's he going to do on his farm today?
He's going to look in this pig, this fin.
Locking the cow into the barn. Going to keep him in there so he can't escape. Maybe we can put the other cow in there with him too.
Yeah. Where's the cow?
Here he is. Moo cow. Oh look, there's some carrots growing here. Who likes carrots? Do you like carrots?
Yeah.
What colour are they?
Orange.
That's right.
That's my favourite colour, orange.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else do you like that's orange?
Doggies are orange.
That dog's orange, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think this dog would be called?
Pretty.
Putty?
Yeah.
What, like little?
Yeah.
Little dog. Putty dog. Putty chien. Say putty chien. Who's inside? Oh, it's the farmer's wife. What was her name? Mary?
Yeah. Look at this bell.
She's got a belt on.
Yeah, and it's the Christmas thing.
Is it?
Yeah, and look at she's white dress. Look at this cup.
Yeah, I think that's a milk pail, isn't it? I think she's been milking the cows. Do you want to get her to milk the cows?
Yeah.
That was a good cow milking noise, wasn't it? Now she got lots of milk in her pail.
Yeah.
Okay, where's she going to take it?
She's going to take it over here.
What, to home?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's Mr. Farmer going to do? What's his job today? Is he going to ride the tractor?
Yeah.
Today he's going to, maybe he's going to dig up some carrots.
Yeah. Dig, dig, dig.
Dig,
Oh, that's
dig, dig.
something.
Now he's got carrots for his dinner.
Yeah. And let's put it inside.
Okay, the doggie's coming. Woof, woof. Whack, 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 whack. Whack, whack.
Now
Whack.
do the ducky's sound.
I think the ducks and the chickens will be friends, do you?
Yeah.
Bah,
Bah.
bah. Sheep race. Bah. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Chicken race. Meow. Meow. Yay, you're the winner.
Yeah. This is the horse.
Oh look, the doggy is riding the horse.
I think they want to do racing.
Should we do a horse race? You win.
I win.
You win.